Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to make companies notice you on LinkedIn fast. First, optimize your profile. Use a professional photo by uploading or take any photo right now. Then, strong headline and clear summary highlighting your skills and achievements. Showcase your work. Add projects, certifications, or portfolio links on your profile's features section by adding to tab post by clicking or tab post. Next, follow targeted companies, like and comment on posts to avoid and share insightful content regularly. Privacy tip: only interact with trusted companies and post to avoid spam or scams. Quick fix: if recruiters aren't noticing you, send personalized connection requests to recruiters. Turn on open to work recruiters only in profile settings. Update your skills and endorsements for better visibility. And that's it. Subscribe.